Hello, I'm David from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am standing next to a 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This Montauk comes with the trailer in the light blue with the white graphics. As you can see, it has the sun top, a 115 Mercury outboard engine. I want to show you some other exciting features on this boat. On this particular model, as I mentioned earlier, has a 115 outboard Mercury engine. 2018-2019, they integrated the fuel tank into the hull on the Montauk. So there's no external fuel tank, it's all built down in the Boston Whaler hull. We have reverse seating for leaning posts for sitting forward. Instrumentation up here on the dashboard with a compass forward. All of our gauges, our shifter, stainless steel steering. On the side of the helm, we have storage compartment. Right now the cover's in there. The battery's in there as well. On the starboard side of the helm, we have integrated fish boxes, tackle boxes. This boat is equipped with a fishing package, which allows for a cooler with a cushion up front and rocket launchers in front of the helm. As we move forward, this also has the bow cushions that fold up and go out of the way. Underneath the bow cushions, there's plenty of storage. This model also has the split bow rail, which is an option from Boston Whaler. We can get it in a couple different configurations. And this boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong.